Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Have a Seat Labubu from the monsters. So first let's get started by drawing in the top of our eyes. We're going to draw on a curved line on the left and right hand side and just leaving a gap in the center. Let's draw on a nice big oval underneath now. So we're going to start on the inside, bringing this line over, across, and then in on the right. And then we're going to do the same on the left. Now let's draw in the center of the eye. So we're going to draw in an oval, connecting this from the bottom, bringing this around, and then over on the side. And then we're going to do the same on the right. So starting on the bottom again, curving this line up, around, and then back down on the side. Now let's close off the middle. So starting on the top line here, we're going to curve this around, bringing that over, blending that in on the bottom line. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Now in the center, we're going to draw on a small heart. And we'll do this on both of our eyes. And then moving in towards the top, we'll just draw in another circle for the highlight. Let's draw on our nose. So in the center, we're going to draw on a sideways oval. Coming underneath for the mouth now, we're going to draw on a curved line, bringing this all the way over and then up on the right. In the center now, let's draw on the letter V, bringing this over and out on both sides, drawing in the teeth. As we come up on both sides, we're going to replicate that. Now let's close off the inside of the head. So starting in the center, we're going to curve this around and then down on the left. And then starting back in the middle, again, we're going to curve this line up and then down on the right. And then now let's continue to close this off, arching this line over and in towards the center. Now let's draw on the top of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and then in on the right. On the left-hand side from that corner, curving this out, back in. Again, doing the same thing on the right-hand side. Let's move down now, arching this over and in. Again, let's move down, curving this down and then back up. And then now let's close off the bottom of the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to arch this over and through towards the middle. So in the middle here, we're going to curve this line up from that point, back in. On the right, curving this around and up on the side. And then again, just replicating that on the left. Now let's draw on our ears. So from the center, stepping over on the right, we're going to curve this line up and then down. And we're going to move over on the left-hand side, bringing this around and then back in, ending that at roughly the same height. From here now, we're going to curve this out, back in. And then from that point, bringing this around and then back down. From the center of our ear now, on the inside, just following that shape. And then moving back in on the middle. Now let's move down and draw in our hands. So we're going to start on the side, drawing in a curved line, bringing that across, lining that up with the same height on the right. And then from here, we're just going to draw in 4 triangles as we come over. Moving over towards the inside, curving this around and then up towards the top. Now moving up on the left, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Stepping down from the corner, bringing this down and through. And then again, just arching this back, around, and in on the side. Now let's draw in our feet. So coming down, we're gonna draw in the letter U, lining it up at the same height on both sides. And now on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes in on both sides, leaving a gap in the center. And then again, from that point, bringing this up and in towards the top. Now on the inside, curving this back around and through. Closing that off in the center with a curved line. And now on the left, bringing this down and then up, replicating that on the right. And then from that point, just curving this over and in on the side. And that is it. That's how you draw Have a Seat Labubu from the monsters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.